I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power your Xbox One and sign into a profile because the console must be awake to accept a controller. Once done, plug the provided USB cable between the controller and the console. This is the required first connection. Make sure the controller has charge. Low power can block pairing. You're using a wired link first to let the console recognize the controller and install any firmware. This step prevents connection errors later, so don't skip it. Keep the cable connected and watch the Xbox screen. The system may detect new hardware and offer a firmware update. Accept it. While updating, do nothing else. Wait for progress to reach 100% and the confirmation message, because interrupting can leave the controller unresponsive. Once updated, unplug and press the controller's Xbox button to confirm it powers on. Then test sticks, buttons, and vibration. This verifies drivers and firmware installed correctly before any wireless syncing, so you won't chase phantom input problems. Now complete pairing. On the Xbox, press the sync button, then press the controller's sync button, hold both briefly and they'll link. If your controller supports Bluetooth, this wired first step still prepares firmware. Otherwise, the Xbox wireless link activates after the sync. Once paired, test gameplay. If pairing fails, reconnect the USB cable and repeat the update step, because outdated firmware is the usual culprit. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.